Everyone, this is House for Kid 13 with 2 Ds, and I'm going over a small stash that I've been having for I'd say about 4 months now. Yeah, let's get started. First, we got these shotgun flashlight firecrackers. They're not better than Black Cap, but they're pretty cool. I got 6, 7 of them. Yeah, get that out of here. And yeah, we got these sparklers. Yeah, for for the little kids. Mm, yeah. And then we got these Roman candles. They're not even close to being the best, but they were on sale for 63 cents. I got more, but I just put these in the video. Yeah, my favorite not a firecracker, but smoke bomb, smoke bombs. They are the best. You can write your name, anything, for yellow, purple, orange, and blue. I got 2 packs of those. And for my favorite firecracker, bottle rockets. Had bottle rockets for days. Man, I'm just saying. Yeah, they are air travelers. They're not better than Black Cat, which I'll be getting some and making a new video. So yeah, it's my stash.